This tutorial will show you how to download the Runescape Runelite plugin completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1, on your search engine or browser device, type in Runescape Runelite plugin download. Now, assuming you want to go to the runelite.com or runelite.net website, you want to go under their website and go under the plugin hub, or it's going to be next to tile markers. Now, as you can see here, this is the active installs and plugins. We have a list of different ones. This is actually how to install the plugins, but I'm going to show you how to download Runelite completely for free. If you go over and click the Runelite icon, this is their main website, you can directly download Runelite by clicking download, and you have different options. Another way you can download Runelite completely for free is to go on the Runescape download website or on their website and click download Runescape. Now, once you download, you want to open up the Jagex launcher application, and once opened up and loaded, go to the top left hand screen, assuming you're logged in, and click the second option, old school Runescape. And in this case, you can install the official client, or you can click the drop down arrow, and voila, we have Runelite, and you can install it completely for free. Unfortunately, on the top left hand screen for Runescape or Runescape 3, there's no option that I know of that you can download Runelite, as this is only for old school Runescape, but comment down below.